Shizuku isn't on the Play Store, so here's how to download and run it. Let's get started. I already downloaded the Shizuku app. Let's download together.once. Again. Search on Play Store Shizuku. As you can see, it isn't available on my device. The best way is to download from Chrome. Search Shizuku. Click the same site as I do. Download the latest one. I already downloaded so I won't download. Link will be in description if you can't find the website. As you can see, the app is running fine. Click on the pairing option. Now on Developer. Click on Wireless Debugging. Now pair with code. Write the same code as it's showing. The pairing was successful. Click on the Start. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more informative videos.